Hey math champs, ready for today's Multiply It Monday? Here's the challenge. What's 34 times to 6? Don't worry, we're going to break it down step by step, and by the end, you'll be a multiplication master.
First, we write out the number. What we have, 34 multiply 26. We decompose 26 or break it into two parts. So we have 20 and we have 6. So first we multiply 34 multiply 6. 6 multiply 4 is 24. You carry 2. 6 multiply 3 is 18 plus 2 give 20. The second part is 34 multiply 20. So we just can say 34 multiply 2. We add the 0 from 20 in the ones place after we are done with the multiplication. So you have 2 into multiply 4, 8. 2 multiply 3, 6. Then add 0 into ones place. We have 680. So now we add the two parts. So that gives us 204 and 680. 4, 8, 8. So our final answer is 884. That is the answer of our two-digit multiplication. Okay, so the way we have done it helps you to multiply big numbers so easily that you don't need to worry yourself about the large size. So you decompose or separate or break the second part of the multiplication into two. In this case, we break 26 into 20 and 6. And in that way, you see that it's easy to multiply 20 because you just keep the 0 and then add it in the ones place at the end of your multiplication here. So 34 multiplied 2 gives 68. You add 0 from 20 and that gives you 680.
Want to test yourself? Pause the video and try 42 out of 17 using the same method. Leave your answer in the comments, and I'll give a shout out to the first few math masters who get it right. Let's recap the steps to tackle a two-digit by two-digit multiplication problem. First, break the second number into tens and ones. It's like splitting a pizza. Next, multiply each part separately. Easy peasy. Finally, add the two products together, and boom, you just solved a two-digit times two-digit problem.
If this helped you, give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to Math Challenge Hub for more fun math days. Join us for Word Problem Wednesday and Fraction Friday. Keep multiplying those skills, and I'll see you in the next challenge.